All right, welcome back everyone. Today we have a great video for you. We're going to be back at the Sunterra Ironworks Argentine grill, and today we're making our first modification, and we're going to exponentially increase the usefulness and versatility of the grill by adding a rotisserie. So when I ordered the Ironworks grill from Sunterra, I elected for the rotisserie with the purchase, and when you order it, they drop ship the rotisserie separately from the grill. So I ended up with the rotisserie weeks, if not months, prior to receiving the grill. And when you get it, it's going to be in a box, and I have all of the pieces that you receive. The one that I received was from One Grill Barbecue Products, and depending on the size of the grill you order, you're going to get, a potentially different rotisserie setup based on the length of grill you order. But it's pretty basic setup. So you get the motor, which obviously is responsible for turning the rotisserie. You get the spit rod. I have a 36-inch oven, grill, and I'm not sure if this is specifically for 36 or larger, but that's what I received. You get the 2 forks. And of course you get your handle, your counterbalance, and everything you really need to get this on your grill. It also comes with, since this is more of a generic rotisserie that's meant to go on many types of barbecues and grills, you do get a variety of mounting brackets. And so you get 4, but of these, the 2 you need is this one that is for the motor mount, and this one, which is to mount on the opposite side of the grill, which supports the spit rod by the handle and the counterbalance. And so these are really the 2 that you need to worry about. The other 2 brackets we can just set aside because we're not going to use those. Now, with the Sunterra Ironworks grill, it's very easy to install. We'll go over there and walk through it. It should only take about 5 minutes. There's already mounting points on the grill, and there's already screws to mount your brackets already in the grill. So all you got to do is back the screws out, put your brackets on, and put the screws back in. I mean, the hardest part is probably making sure you put the motor on the side that you have electrical and deciding what side that's going to be. But anyway, so let's go ahead and head over to the grill and get this thing installed. All right, so we're back at the grill, ready to get this rotisserie installed. I have my 2 brackets I need, and we are set. And so since I have a power outlet on this side of the grill, I am going to mount the motor on this side so I have easy access to an outlet without running extension cords. So I'm going to put the bracket for the motor mount on this side, and the supporting bracket for the spit rod on the opposite side. And so you can see here, we went ahead and just raised our grate, got it out of the way, and you can see the 4 mounting screws here on this side, and the same thing will be on this side as well. And all we're going to need to do is just loosen those a little bit, and they should fit through and slide it into place. And I went ahead and did the work. It's a 5/32 Allen wrench that you'll need. All right, so those are tight. We're going to move to the other side and do the other one. Okay, so to mount the support bracket onto the bracket that's on the grill, there's some screws that come with the grill that have a washer and a nut, but the head on those screws is too small, and it pulls through the opening on the brackets. And so there's other screws that come with the rotisserie that's the same thread size but has a fatter head, and so we're going to use 4 of those short fathead screws, but use the washer and nut from the screws that were with the grill. So we're just going to head and get this on now. Go ahead and grab the motor. Easy as that, just slides right into the bracket, easy enough. And then on this end, we're just going to hook up the locking stop, the counterbalance, and the handle. So first we're going to slide on the locking stop, and this prevents the spit rod from sliding out of position. I'm going to put on this washer. Then the counterbalance would go along that, and then you'd put in your screw. We're not going to put the counterbalance on right now because there's no meat or anything, so it should be balanced. So we're just going to put the handle on without the counterbalance for now. All right, so that should be everything. Make sure everything's tight. All right, let's go ahead and plug it in and give it a test. Turn it on. And yep, it is working. No binding. Turning freely, so I think everything's good. And installing the rotisserie on your Sunterra grill is really that easy. Again, just a couple brackets, a couple screws, and really that's all it's to it.